Do you know Microsoft Edge has an AI mode? It's called Copilot Mode, and today I'll show you how to enable it step by step. First, open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the full settings. On the left side panel, scroll down and click on AI Innovation. This is where Microsoft hides all the new AI features. Now, simply turn on the switch for Copilot Mode. This enables AI features directly inside your Edge browser. After turning it on, open a new tab. You'll notice the search box looks different. It now gives you smart AI options like Search and Chat, Ask Copilot, Think Deeper, and Smart GPT-5. That's it. You've successfully enabled Copilot AI mode in Microsoft Edge. Now you can explore the web with AI built right into your browser.